In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Wrike theme. We'll walk through this together step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to adjust the look and feel of your workspace to better match your preferences. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and that your main workspace is open. At the top of the screen, look toward the upper left area of the interface. You should see your profile icon there. This might appear as your initials inside a small circle, or it could be a profile image if you've uploaded one. Move your cursor over that icon and click it. This will open a small menu with several options related to your account and settings. Once that menu is open, look for the option labeled Appearance. This is a section where Wrike lets you control how the interface looks, including themes and possibly other visual settings depending on the version you're using. Go ahead and click on Appearance. After clicking, Wrike will either open a new panel or a settings window, usually on the right side of your screen or in the middle, dedicated to your appearance preferences. Inside this area, find the section specifically labeled Theme. This is where you can change how Wrike looks overall. In the Theme section, you will typically see a few different options. These often include a default or classic theme, a light or bright theme, and a dark theme, along with any other color variations Wrike might offer. Take a moment to scroll through what's available. When you click on one of the themes, Wrike will usually show a preview right away, so you can immediately see how the colors and backgrounds change. Pick the theme that feels most comfortable for your eyes and your working style. For example, a dark theme can be easier on your eyes if you work late or in low light environments, while a light theme might be better if you're in a bright office. Once you've chosen a theme, it's typically applied automatically, but if you see a Save or Apply button, make sure to click it to confirm your choice. And that's all there is to it. You've opened your profile menu, navigated to the appearance settings, gone to the theme section, and selected the look you prefer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your customized Wrike workspace.